If there are videos on TikTok that are inappropriate for you, or if there is some trend that you don't like, I will teach you how to hide those videos. Go quickly check if TikTok is updated. Open the App Store or Google Play Store and find TikTok. If there is a button update, click on it and wait a couple of seconds till TikTok installs all the latest features and options. Now head over to TikTok. At the bottom right corner, click on Profile icon. Profile page will open up. At the top right corner, click on these 3 lines. You can see at the bottom screen a pop-up window. Choose Settings and Privacy. Scroll down and find the option called Video Preference. Here we need the very first option called Filter Video Keywords. Click on it. Now let's add some keyword. Enter keyword and choose where you want a filter to be used. Click on Save. You can see a list of keywords. We can add as many keywords as we want. There is an option to delete keyword if you change your mind. So now videos that have that keyword will not show on your pages.